Welcome to the Absolute Equality Unity Bridge, a public art project that stands as a visual testament to the rich culture and heritage of Austin, Texas. Today, I'm excited to share with you two beautiful murals that will adorn the walls of the tunnel leading to the Longhorn Dam Bridge. The first mosaic mural celebrates the vibrancy of life during the daytime. The bright colors and lively imagery capture the essence of Austin's community spirit, where kids catch butterflies, blow bubbles, swim at local parks, play soccer, enjoy frosty, fruity snow cones, and create memories under the sun. Each tile is a piece of our story, representing the unity and the resilience of our diverse neighborhoods. We pay homage to the natural habitat and the small and large creatures that call the surrounding area home. Now, as we move to the second mosaic mural, we see the enchanting nightlife of Austin. The deep blues and purples illustrate a world that awakens under the stars, filled with love, music, dance, and celebration. From the country western hoedown to the magic of the mariachis and fantastic moves of the folklorico dancers, to the jazz, rhythm and blues blasting along 6th Street, to the booming bass of the South by Southwest Festival. This mosaic mural embodies the joy and connection we experience as a community, reminding us that our stories continue to unfold as day turns to night. But these murals are part of a larger vision. I am thrilled to announce that my team and I will work alongside local youth and residents to create the mosaic murals along with the painted portions of this art installation, and custom handmade ceramic tiles that will feature their handprints. Through hands-on art workshops, we will invite community members to share their creativity and their stories. Participants will help design the painted mural, which will adorn the ceiling of the tunnel, adding their unique touches to create a collage of color that reflects the beauty of our diverse heritage and the changing of the seasons. Each silhouette, each leaf print, each brushstroke will be a testament to our collective identity and the celestial cycles that govern our beautiful planet Earth. Additionally, we'll capture handprints from local residents to craft custom ceramic tiles. These tiles will adorn the outer lip of the tunnel's entrance and exit, symbolizing the need for all hands to play a part in the development of our community. It's about making sure everyone has a voice in this project. Through this collaborative effort, we aim to foster connections and build bridges of hope, unity within our community. Absolute Equality, Unity Bridge is not just an art installation, it's a movement. It represents our commitment to inclusivity, cultural diversity, and the importance of equality for all. Together, we will create a lasting legacy that honors our past while embracing our future, reminding us all that in unity, we find our strength.